Hi everyone, this video is for anyone who's new to my page or who has the DP pin and is still having a bit of trouble with it. What you want to do is gather your hair and do a proper bun. I like to call it a cinnabon. I like to hold the ends of my hair. But one thing you have to do is you have to do the angle and glide. If you just try to stab the bun, as you see, it just falls out. Now I have my hair in a bun again. I like to hold the ends. I feel more secure like that. Then you want to take your pin upside down. Take a small amount, as you see. Touch the scalp with the points of the pin. Glide it underneath the bun and across the scalp. You will have a super tight fit. As you see, I'm moving my head, jumping up and down. You'll be totally secure like that.